Where's your bone, bud? You can't have hers. You can't have her bone. She's not going to let you have it. No, she's not. You're going to get in trouble. You're going to get bit, baby. Where's your bone? Where is it? Where'd it go? Where's your bone? Where did it go? Where'd it go? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? That's her bone. That's not your bone. Your bone's over here. Yes, your bone's over here.